Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting at the TV now. Turn it on and make sure the remote is paired. Press Home and go straight to Settings, then General or All Settings depending on model. Once there, locate Accessibility or Voice Assistant. That menu houses the voice assistant controls. You're doing this first because you need the menu context to toggle the assistant. If you don't see the name right away, move through General and System submenus. Different models place it slightly differently, so stay in Settings until you find the option. Now you're inside the voice assistant controls. Open Voice Assistant or Voice Guide. Select the off option or toggle the switch to disable it. This stops spoken feedback and assistant activation. Once done, the TV will often ask you to confirm the change. Make sure to accept or press OK. If your remote has a microphone button, try pressing it to ensure no response occurs. You're doing this because toggling here permanently turns off the assistant until you manually re-enable it in settings. Finish by restarting the TV so the new setting fully applies. You can power cycle or use restart in settings. Once it boots, test the voice button and any built-in assistants like Bixby or Alexa to confirm silence. If the assistant remains active, make sure the TV firmware is up to date and then try disabling again. As a final troubleshooting tip, if it still won't turn off, perform a factory settings reset only after saving your settings, because that will clear any software glitches, preventing the toggle from sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.